All right, traders, we need to talk about Bitcoin, right? Sorry about that. The reason we need to talk about Bitcoin is because right now I don't see any sign of recovery. If you notice right here, this yellow line was the last level holding price, and now we have broken it. Right, let's go to a 3-day chart. This highs, my friends, this is December 2017 highs, was supposed to hold Bitcoin from further downside. Now, today, Bitcoin broke with that zone, and there is absolutely no other level to hold Bitcoin prices. So I do see possibly, I'm sorry, a retest of that 13,000 level or June 2019 highs, right? So that gives us a possible move to the downside from current prices of about 28%. Now, that is radical to say. I don't know if this is going to happen. No one fucking knows. But I am still holding on to my Bitcoin shorts from earlier today. Already took very, very fast profits. About 80% of that trade at 2R, a 2R win. And I'm just holding the rest for dear life. Why? Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart, mates. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. Actually, I'm going to go to the 8-hour chart because we need to look at the bigger picture right here. Now, I don't know. I haven't worked this chart for a while, right? But if you look at the 8-hour chart, my friends, um, and if you look at historic price action gives you clues. The last time that Bitcoin was trading inside of a rectangle move, it broke to the downside, right? And right now we are looking at the same kind of price action, and Bitcoin just breaking to the downside too. Now, there is absolutely nothing holding bias. I'm sorry, holding this market. Everything is so bearish, and we are down from all-time highs. A bunch, about 73% from all-time highs, without a real recovery or a real run. Maybe this one right here, but it was choppy as hell. Now, heads up to this. I wouldn't want, I'm sorry, I wouldn't want to be the one holding on to this, to some Bitcoin longs at this level. So you can see this is practically the level that was key in November 2020, and where we saw buyers jump in, and right now, I mean, that level is gone. That level is gone. So be careful with Bitcoin at the moment. I don't see other play than shorting this market. Absolutely not worth, um, not worth looking for longs at this moment. On the short term, my entry was a perfect break of the daily lows around this level. Right, as I already told you and showed you, and my stop losses are at break even. And I am going to look for some more short opportunities. Now, where would I want to be looking for short? At a simple retest of the previous broken lows. That's an excellent zone to look for shorts. If price goes against the current move and retraces all the way back to this level, I'll probably get stopped out of break even on the 20% left of my position. But I'm going to look for that possible reversal right here to enter short again. But if you look at historic price action on the past week or so, there really hasn't been um, some real pullbacks towards the previous broken zones after a big push to the downside. So, in my opinion, New York volume is going to bring more bears into the market. And I'm just expecting further downside without an add-on to my short trade. I hope this helps. If you want to learn how to trade the F1 strategy, there's a link below this video, guys. Cheers.